mayong adlaw mga higala. I'm Mitch and for this video, I will be sharing my Choco condensed milk cake. For the ingredients, we need 1 cup melted Bravo butter, 1 cup water or Conaprol milk, 1/2 cup Burial's cocoa powder, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 1/2 cup brown sugar, 2 teaspoons baking soda, 1 teaspoon coffee powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2 pieces whole eggs, and 1/3 cup Bravo condensed milk. For our condensed milk ganache, we need 1 can Bravo condensed milk, 1/2 cup Burial's cocoa powder, and 1 tablespoon Bravo butter. Let's start. So in your bowl, mix first your dry ingredients, your flour, baking soda, salt, and your coffee powder. You can use any coffee powder you want. Brown sugar, then Burial's cocoa powder. Mix mo muna to. Then, you make a well at the center. Tapos, you mix in your melted butter, Bravo condensed milk, and your eggs. Tapos, you mix this one by hand until smooth. Once the mixture medyo sticky na, change to your rubber scraper. Once smooth, get your baking pan 9 by 13 lined with baking paper. Tapos, lagay mo na dito yung mixture. Then, bake this one at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. So, while binibake natin yung cake, mix na natin yung fudge frosting niya. In your saucepan, mix your Bravo condensed milk, then your Burial's cocoa powder, then your Bravo butter. Medium heat lang tayo ha. Cook this one until smooth. So, until ganito lang yung itsura. Okay? Set this aside. Let's wait for our cake. Our cake is baked already. Tapos, pinalamig ko na. Here's our Choco condensed milk cake. Lagay na natin on top yung fudge frosting. There you go, our Choco condensed milk cake. Again, for the ingredients, don't forget to visit Sweet House Baking Store here in Cagayan de Oro, Balingasag, or in Palawan. And don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!